Are robots ready to outsmart humans in the workplace? You won't believe how industries are being transformed. Let's dive into a world where AI robots are not just assistants, but game changers. From space to healthcare, these bots are reshaping how we live, work, and play. Imagine a robot operating a delicate surgery with precision that surpasses the steadiest human hands. Jim, a self-developed AI surgeon, stands ready to combat the intricate maze of human anatomy. His goal? Ensure a recovery rate like no human doctor has ever seen. He's got a gleaming exterior, gifted with a laser focus and zero nerves. Jump to outer space, where Astrobot, our trusty cosmic explorer, fearlessly navigates the endless void, aiding astronauts with tasks impossible to perform by humans alone. Astrobot's unique design allows it to withstand radiation levels that would make any other equipment throw in the towel. But that's not all. Meet RoboKira, a first responder in disaster relief. When chaos strikes, her infrared sensors and nimble agility become a beacon of hope, finding survivors in debris-laden terrains with an efficiency that's pure poetry in motion. Yet the power of AI robots invades our everyday lives too. Picture Alex, a domestic AI prodigy, turning chores into child's play, cleaning, cooking, organizing. It has everything under control before you can say robotic revolution. It isn't just about doing things faster, it's about redefining possibilities. Imagine a future where AI handles the mundane, letting humans focus on creativity and innovation. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. So, when you hear about AI robots, don't just think machines, think revolution. Please like, share, and subscribe to explore more on AI robotics fun facts. Join our journey into the world where AI meets possibility